What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you just like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the latest alerts on all the content and videos that we drop here on the Credit Plug channel. So, before we get into today's video, I just wanted to thank all of the subscribers that helped us. We recently just hit that 50,000 subscriber milestone, so we appreciate all the people who've been tuning into our channel over the last year since we've really started putting out a lot of content, and we hope that a lot of you guys are gaining some value. You're applying some of this information and making it work for you. That's really what we're about, embodying the Credit Plug. Is connecting consumers with financial information and financial resources to be better versions of yourself. So that's what we're all about. Another announcement I wanted to make is that we do officially now have Credit Plug merch for sale. Go check out the link in the description. We got the Credit Plug tees. We have face masks, we have coffee mugs and other accessories. So definitely go check them out. I mean, these are some nice shirts. So definitely go get your merch if you want to support the channel. Now, for today's video, I have a special review. A pretty interesting company that I came across that offers a credit building product. So this particular company is called Lockbox. Now, Lockbox offers a credit builder loan. So for those of you who aren't aware of what a credit builder loan is, it works as a savings account, right? So a financial institution will issue a loan in your name. When you make payments on that loan, those payments are going into a savings account. And then at the end of the loan term, you get a lump sum back. And that's essentially how it works with Lockbox. And one of the great things with Lockbox, they do report to the Bureau. So for right now, they're just reporting to TransUnion and Equifax. There's 0%. So they're not charging you, unlike Credit Strong and Self Lender that, bake a fee into the monthly payment that you're sending. Lockbox is 100% free. So there's no fees associated with it. However, at the end of the term, you can elect to get your money back transferred into your own bank account, or you can open up a new bank account with one of their preferred bank partners. And when you do that, when you open up a new account with one of their preferred bank partners, then it's completely free to get your money back. So you will have built a primary credit account for absolutely free. But then if you decide to withdraw your money to one of your accounts, then they will charge you a fee. So, I mean, it would make the most logical sense to just open up a new account, get the money transferred over that, and then you could just transfer it from there to your own bank account. So, the fee that they do charge is somewhere between $30 and $40. Monthly payments range from $20 to $200, and you could decide which plan you want to go with. And these credit builder loans are only for 1 year. So if you do a $20 monthly payment, then the amount that's going to be reporting on your credit is $240. So on your credit, it'll say a $240 loan, right? But if you are like, let's say 200, then it'll show up as a $2,400 loan under on your credit report. And they make you go through, you sign a promissory note and everything. I'll actually walk through real quickly a PowerPoint presentation that kind of just explains their business model and how it works, and then we'll go hop over to their website so we could go a little bit more into detail into this particular product. So I'll see you over there. All right, so here I just wanted to go through this illustration to kind of explain how the credit builder model works, right? So essentially, and I'll try to explain this as concise as possible, right? So you have Lockbox, right? And so the product that they're actually providing or that they're selling is a cash redeemable savings voucher, right? Then they have their sister company, Lockbox Finance Llc. So how this works mechanically, right? So Lockbox Finance LLC will draft up a promissory note, right? And so that's basically the loan agreement where they're specifying how, for what amount in the monthly payment, right? In the term of it. So in this case, it's going to be for a year with an amount from either, um, you know, $20 to $200 monthly payment, but the amount on the promissory note is going to be from $240 to 2,400. So depending on what you decide. So they draft up a promissory note, and you sign that promissory note. And then what happens after that? So kind of the things that are happening simultaneously, right? As soon as you sign the promissory note, they're going to send the proceeds, right? So Lockbox Finance is financing, they're financing the purchase of the cash redeemable savings voucher, right? So they're sending the proceeds to Lockbox, right? Lockbox is selling you the cash redeemable savings voucher, but you don't actually physically get possession of that. They just send it directly to this master account, right? BMO at BMO Harris of all banks. So this cash redeemable savings voucher is going to sit in the bank, right? And then Lockbox Finance LLC is going to have a lien position on that cash redeemable savings voucher. So you're going to make your monthly payments, right? You're going to make your monthly payments. At the end of the term, essentially, that lien is released, and then you actually have access to the cash redeemable savings voucher, which is going to be in the same amount of all of your cumulative monthly payments. And so at that point, then this cash redeemable savings voucher is yours. You can either get it transferred to your own bank, or as I mentioned, you can have it sent to one of their partner banks at no additional fee. So again, this is kind of the mechanics behind a credit builder type of product, right? It involves actually the sale of a cash redeemable savings voucher, but the finance company that's financing it, they have a lien position on it until after you make all of your payments. Now, if for some reason you decide to not go through the entire term of the loan agreement, well then basically, you just get your money refunded back to you and they take position of the uh the savings voucher. I mean, that's essentially the mechanics behind it. But as a customer, all you really need to know is that you're making these monthly payments, and those payments are being reported by Lockbox Finance LLC. So this is kind of the playbook for a lot of credit builders, right? There actually is a product that's being financed, which is a savings voucher, a cash redeemable savings voucher. But I just wanted to kind of share some of the mechanics behind this. But anyways, let's go jump over to their website and we can go over some of the other information. All right, so here we are on the Lockbox website. So just to go over a couple of points that we made, right? So you can sign up for the Lockbox in a couple easy steps, but just to go over again, you can decide how much you want to save each month. And as I mentioned, right, and as they say here, they finance the full amount with a 0% loan. So they are issuing a promissory note, a loan agreement in your name, right? And so then as you build up the savings, right, you're making those payments, that money's going into an account, it's being reported every month you're making these payments. And one of the great things is that it's auto debited. So you don't even have to think about this. It's basically on autopilot. And then as you see here, once you've made your final payment, you're going to transfer the savings, right? And so that savings is the cash redeemable savings voucher, right? So that money is going to be either sent to your own account or to one of their partner banking partner accounts. You can open up a new account, get it transferred over there without a fee. So potentially this is a credit builder that you can get absolutely free. And I just wanted to also go over really quickly, right? And this is basically what I explained, right? So is Lockbox a loan? So no, Lockbox itself is technically a cash redeemable savings voucher, but you use a 0% APR loan provided by our sister finance company, Lockbox Finance US LLC, to buy the voucher. the finance is transferred from Lockbox Finance LLC to Lockbox on your behalf when you buy your Lockbox voucher using the 0% APR loan from Lockbox Finance USA. So this model is brilliant because there actually is a product that's being sold in finance, and that's the savings voucher. And when you are paying your monthly payment, that's basically going to unlock that lockbox. So at the end of it, you get that voucher, cash redeemable. So it's basically cash. And that's basically what you paid for, right? You made monthly payments, and the whole key behind it is that they're reporting your monthly payments, and that's the most important aspect. So um, as a customer, all you have to understand is that each payment that they take out is being reported. This is just kind of to explain how it works a little bit, which I've also illustrated. Now, let me walk through really quickly, just so uh, an example. So this one right here is a lockbox worth 240. So that's a $20 monthly payment, and it's going to be due on the 30th. And yeah, unlock at the end of 12 months. So all terms are 12 months. And as it says here, you can close your lockbox build at any time, but you have to cancel, don't just cancel the payment, right? You have to actually cancel the lockbox. So you just click on this button, cancel lockbox build early, and then you'll just get a refund of your money. So overall, I think this is a pretty unique type of product, right? For those who are looking to rebuild their credit. So definitely check it out. I'll post the link in the description for anyone who signs up. They get $5. So definitely go check out Lockbox if you're in the stages of rebuilding. This is a very easy primary account to get reporting under your credit. So definitely check it out. Anyone who has any experience with Lockbox, let us know in the comment section down below. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.